welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you guys the Colourpop collab that, well, BeckyG had this collaboration with Colourpop, and I have been really into this palette. I've only used a couple of the colors on here, but I really like it. And then I also will be talking about or using this BeckyG Colourpop, and it's called Mija. This is probably one of my favorite from the 5. I do have the whole collection. And then this highlighter is called Chisme, and this has been my favorite one from both of them. So yeah, so it's been out for a couple of months now. I think it was in December when it came out, I think so. But I did want to support her because she is from Inglewood and I am from Inglewood too. So I just wanted to make this video so you guys can check it out. And if you haven't purchased it, you can definitely check it out after you watch this video. So I'm going to get started with my eyebrows. That's the routine that I always do. Eyebrows and then my eyes, and then, you know, you'll see the rest. So let me get started. So now I'm going to conceal my brows. I'm just going to be using this Wet n Wild Stick Foundation in Golden Tan. This is a really good drugstore foundation if you haven't tried it. So now I'm just going to blend that into my skin. Like so. So this is the P. Louis base in 2. Right here. I'm going to put that all over my lid. And I'm also using the P. Louis brush. So I'm just going to apply it all over my eyelid. So again, I'm going to be using the Salvaje palette from Colourpop, collaborating with BeckyG. Hey BeckyG, shout out from Inglewood. So we're gonna get started with the caramelo, and I'm just going to apply it right on top of where my crease starts, and I just want to blend it all in. That blended out so easily. Yes. And I do want to add just a tiny more. Me pique el ojo. So after caramelo, I'm going to go in with sangria right here. And I'm using Makeup Shack T33 brush. I'm going to be applying it just a little bit lower than my, like where I first put that caramelo color. Just a little tiny bit lower like this. And I'm just going to pack it in my lid before I even blend it out. And then I'm going back in with the same brush that I used for caramelo. And I'm just going to blend those two colors together. And then I'm going to go right back into this one. Just like that. And just keep blending until you're happy with the blend. So I'm going to go in with my Anastasia and just blend out, because I do not like to see different like lines on the on your eyeshadow. I just do not like it. So blend, blend, blend to the next eye. Add a little more. And now with a clean brush, I just want to go back and make sure everything is blended up here before I move on to the next color. I'm going to go in with Melvic, which is just more like a darker brown, a darker red brown. So I'm going to put it still just going lower. So now I'm going to blend those colors with whatever I have left right here. I want to add Cafecito right here, the one that I use for my brows. And I'm going to just add it all in the end right here. So now I'm going to move on onto the lid. So I'm going to just leave it like that. And then with my finger, I'm just going to blend that in. Just to make it fade away a little bit. But I do want to use that base so that whatever color I'm going to use next, you know, it will like pop out even more. And I'm going to do, let's do this one, which is Patrona. Use a little bit of Patrona and add it right here. Ooh, that's a really nice color. Now I'm gonna add some of this Corona one right here and just mix it together. Now I'm gonna put my liner, and I'm gonna try to show you guys pretty much how I do my liner. But before I do my liner, I'm just gonna clean it right here. Here's how I do my liner. I use the Stila Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner in Intense Black. I start from right up in front of here. I make sure to put like my pinky kind of like laying right here so that I'm just moving this part for my liner. So I start right here. And then I just lined it like this. But then right here, I kind of just go up. And I'm kind of just outlining how I want my liner to look. So then I just go like that. Kind of like just out. And then I'm gonna connect the lines. Something like this. And then I just add color inside the lines. Just like that. just like that. And then it's still not perfectly, like, I'm sure you guys can see, but it's still not perfectly lined down. So now I just want to, from here, you never want to go up here because you don't want to make that line thicker. So you just want to go from here and make it as sharp as you can. And that's how I do my liner. Hopefully that made sense. You know, it takes a lot of time and patience to do liner. Like, girl, I still mess up till this day. So, you know, it's just someday you have a great liner and sometimes you don't. Okay, y'all, so I'm back pretty much with both eyes done. So now I'm going to be applying my lashes. So I'm going to and then I'm going to put some glue on my lashes. I'm just using these lashes that I bought from Amazon, and I'm gonna cut them because I know that they are longer. I've used them already before. Okay, so I've also had questions about how do you apply lashes. The easiest way that I've learned to do my lashes was having my mirror and I'm looking down. So this is like, you know, angled down. So I'm looking down so I get to see like my full like line of my lashes. So then I use my tweezers, put them in the middle, and then I'm just looking down and it shows me exactly where I need to apply it. So I put it down in the middle just like that, and then with my finger I connect it from the end, and then I connect it in the front. Then I just push them, make sure they're on all the way, and that's it. So you see the biggest difference that lashes do? Like, this looks boring. This looks like, yes, honey, where you going? You know? Alright, so that is pretty much it for the eye look. So I'm going to come back when I have my foundation and everything else ready so that I can show you the BeckyG Chisme highlighter and the lippy. So I'll be right back. Alright, so I am back, and now I'm going to be finishing my eyes, my under eyes. I'm going to start with Cafecito. And then I'm going to go in with Sangria. With the smaller one, I do want to go in with Cafecito and just like very, very close to your lash line, your under lash line. You kind of want to make it look like it's liner. Just like that. Go back with another brush and just blend it out. Just like that. So that, oh actually, I'm not done. In the inner corner, I do want to add this Estrella color. It looks so nice. Oh my goodness. Woo! This made the look even better. Yes, Estrella. Wow. Oh my gosh. This can be like a beautiful highlighter. Do you guys see that? And I didn't even have to put any of the my setting spray because I was, but honey, I don't even need it. Wow. Okay. That's bomb. I do want to add some right here. Oh my gosh, yes. I wish I had somewhere to go. My makeup looks so bomb. Y'all need this. This is bomb. This look is beautiful. Okay, so let me show you guys the highlighter. So it is a loose highlighter. Looks like this. It's really, really cute. I'm going to apply it with my Morphe 937 brush. I'm going to add a little bit. Ooh, honey. Y'all, oh yeah, y'all see that. That is so pretty. Yes, cheese me. What we about to cheese me out about? That is so beautiful. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah, I like this. That is so pretty. This is gonna be so nice. Oh my gosh. I should probably just go to Target. Find something to do. Don't you guys hate when you do your makeup just to do it and you have nowhere to go? Same, sis. Oh, this is so cute. Let that dry a little more. Yes. BeckyG, you did that. Wow. So the next final thing that we will be using that's BeckyG's is the Mija Lippy. And before I do that, I just want to line my lips because I do like to line my lips with whatever I'm going to do. I always line my lips with brown liner. Like, that's just what I gotta do. So we're about to see if you guys like this, but this is one of my favorite colors from the 5 Lippy collection. Yes. This is a Bomb Latina approved lippy. That is so pretty. Literally like an everyday lippy. That's why I love it so much, because I can put it on with whatever kind of look that I have on. Dramatic to a very natural one. And then they have another 4 lippies and they're amazing as well. I think it's Besame. Besame is a beautiful red color that I love. Like, such a beautiful look. Oh my gosh. Beautiful look. Oh my gosh. Well, that is it, y'all. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you would like more beauty videos, please let me know in the comments below. But anyways, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share with all your family members, your friends, anyone who you know would enjoy my videos. And with that being said, I will see you in my next video. I love you guys so much. Bye.